How to pause or delete your account on DoorDash. Hey guys, if you're looking to delete your account on DoorDash, the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your application. So once you open up the app and you're logged in, you might have noticed that you cannot actually delete your account from the app itself, because if you head over to the Me section at the bottom right, then to your profile, and then to settings, go to manage account. You don't have an option to delete your account from here. You can only log out and switch account. However, there is no option to delete it. So what you're going to have to do is use the web browser version of DoorDash. Go ahead and search for DoorDash.com. Go to the three dots at the top left. Tap on Get Started. And then from here, make sure to log into your account. So just go ahead and search for DoorDash, tap on this, and log into your account. It looks like it's redirecting me to the app. So what I'm going to do is go to app info, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn off the open supported links. This way, I will be able to click on the link without having to worry about the link opening on the app. So it will redirect you to the official website on DoorDash. Just make sure to log in there. So once you've logged into your account from the web browser, you just have to go ahead and find the settings menu here. Tap on the three dots at the top left. It will open up the menu bar, and then from here, simply go to manage accounts. So tap on account, wait for a bit. Now, once you open the manage account option, you should be able to see the delete button here on your profile if your account is old enough to be deleted. So just go ahead and tap on the delete button if you see here by tapping on linked accounts or manage accounts. And then you're going to be asked to log in again for verification purposes, and then you can just delete your account from there. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.